Good day, Philippines! Hello, Luzon! This is Batangas City Newsline, your trusted source of timely and relevant updates. For today's news, we bring you to one of the most historic and culturally rich towns of Batangas. Our correspondent Claire is live on site to give us a closer look at this remarkable town. Now sending.
Good day, I'm Claire Kate Vergara, reporting live here in a quiet yet culturally vibrant of Taal, Batangas. Taal is famously known as the heritage town of the Philippines because of its well-preserved Spanish colonial houses and centuries-old structures, including the Basilica of St. Martin de Tours, the largest Catholic church in Asia. Fun fact, Taal is also the home of the world-renowned Barong Tagalog and Taal Embroidery, which continue to showcase Filipino craftsmanship. Aside from its rich heritage, Taal has witnessed significant historical events, including moments of bravery during the Spanish colonial era. Truly, this town is not only the treasure of Batangas, but also of the nation. From Taal, this has been Claire Kate Vergara. Back to you, Miss Tiny.
Thank you, Claire, for that insightful report. Truly, Taal is a living museum of culture and history. Ngayon naman, we move on to the culinary side of this town. Our correspondent Daniela takes us closer to the heart of Taal's culture food. Daniela?
Magandang araw! I am Daniela Marceliana, reporting live here in the bustling streets of Taal, where the aroma of local delicacies fills the air. Taal is not only famous for its heritage houses and history, but also for its unique culinary traditions. Today, we are joined by one of the Taal streets vendors who has been serving these well-loved delicacies for locals and tourists alike.
Narito po ako ngayon upang mag-interview sa isa sa mga street vendors dito sa Taal. Gaano na po kayo katagal nagtitinda ng mga pagkain Taal dito?
Bali, 5 years na po ako nagtitinda dito sa Taal Basilica.
Ano po ang espesyal na pagkain na inyong binebenta at bakit po ito patok sa mga tao?
Ang special pong pagkain dito, ito pong tawagin po ay panutsa. Ito po. Ito po yun. May dalawang klase po ang panutsa, tuyo at saka bagkas, madam. Meron din tayong bukayong, madam. Ito. Yan. Kaya ito patok ay maraming turista dito na napunta dito.
Bakit siya naman po napili magbenta dito sa Taal?
Ganyan, gaya ng nasabi ko agad, maraming napunta dito na mga turista, gaya ng Manila, iba't ibang lugar, kagaya ng Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, napunta sila dito para mamili ng mga produktong Taal. At saka, biggest church of Asia itong Taal Basilica.
Saan naman po gawa ang inyong tinitinda?
Bali, gawa po ito sa siiran po. Yung tawag po na panutsahan, siiran Taal po yun. Yung po ang pagawaan ng ganito. Panutsa at saka bukayon.
Maraming salamat po. This is Daniela Marceliana reporting. Back to you, Tiny.
Thank you, Daniela, for that flavorful story. Indeed, food is one of the best way to experience Taal's culture. Para naman mapalalim pa natin ang ating kaalaman, we now go to Ana, who also interviewed another local street vendor highlighting more Taal's authentic culinary gem. Ana?
Good day, I'm Hannah Agbaha here in the street of Taal, where food vendor contains to preserve the authentic taste of Batangueño cuisine.
Narito po ako ngayon upang mag-interview sa isang sa mga street vendor ng Taal. Ang pagkain binebenta nyo po ba ay sariling gawa o binibili mula sa ibang tindahan?
Ang paninda ko ay angkat ko lang kasi hindi ako makabili ng pang sarili dahil mahal ang kilo.
Gano'n na po kayo katagal nagtitinda ng pagkain dito po sa Taal?
Ako ini mga 15 years na siguro yan.
Bakit nyo po dito napiling magbenta sa Taal?
Dahil dito ang Taal Basilica, marami napunta mga turista. Dito kami nakakabinta.
Saan po gawangin yung tinitinda?
Dito lang din sa Batangas.
Sige po, thank you po. So, from here in Taal, this has been Ana Goho reporting. Back to you, Miss Tiny.
Thank you, Anna, for that report. From history, culture to authentic cuisine, Taal stands out as a heritage town worth celebrating and preserving. And that's it for today's news report. From the station that delivers nothing but the truth, this is Tiny O Punsalan, bringing you the hottest and latest updates of the day. This is Batangas City Newsline.